Hey kids, so we're back again for another delve into the archives to celebrate 2 million views, and we're looking at these. So we're still on the camo trail. We're going to look at the ZX 5000 undefeated X BAPE from back in 2013. Let's open up the box. So these are quite highly sought after by a lot of people. I've worn them a couple of times myself, not many. First thing to get out the way are the lace swaps that come in the package. Really nice. Now ZX series has had quite the sort of renaissance, I would say, in 2019. So what better year to crack these back out and have a look at them. Not for the faint-hearted, quite a bright colourway, but things of beauty. They have the two motifs on the back of each shoe. Let me show you here. Look at that. Fantastic. Here's your BAPE bathing ape. Really nice shoes, these. You can still get these on the aftermarket. Probably cost you £300 to £400, something like that. Such is, what they're highly sought after, really. Got the old torsion lace jewels. Not your traditional yellow this time, but going with the shoe. Do a toe to tongue. You can see the nice quality of the suede as I just skimmed over there. And if we go around to the insole, got more detail in there as well. Really nice. Flip underneath. A nice red torsion bar in the middle. Again, I've only worn these once or twice. I like to try and look after them. Let's get back to the suede. Is it like a new book, maybe? Really nice. Same on here as well. 3 stripes, different colours. Fantastic. So there you go, kids. That is the ZX 5000. Really nice detail on the camo. Obviously it's the unique camouflage pattern that you find on BAPE products. I think I'll get these on foot now before it starts to rain. Show you what they look like. I'll catch you in a bit, kids. Cheers.